Hi family, you're welcome to Shaddai Agro Group Limited. Today is day 24 of our journey of hatching our Guinea Fowl eggs. And so you can see this morning I got here and I can see that some of them are hatched already. You can see those that are strong enough, I've removed them. And then let's go inside the incubator. You can see this one coming out of the egg. So you can see the empty spaces. Some of them have hatched, they are here. And then when you look at the bottom here, you can see them inside the egg tray there. Those ones who are hatched, they are not strong enough yet. We may remove them tomorrow. And then the new ones that will hatch. So this device is to increase the humidity inside the incubator. So you can see a number of them are trying to come out of the eggs. And so we are getting ready. See it there inside coming out. This one peeping up, coming out. In the next few minutes, it will be out. So Guinea fowl eggs normally approximately 28 days, but some of them hatch earlier. So you can see these ones. Today is day 24. So I'm just going to transfer them into their brooder house. We are preparing everything for them. So you can see their feeders ready. And then their drinking troughs ready. So you can see we've loaded this one because there are not many here. So that is their highly nutritious pre-starter feed, which we call the magic feed. So that is the top open feeder. And so for day also, we're just going to lock it. So you can see the locks there, those pins there, they will enter these holes. And then we lock it like that. And then we send it inside the brooder. So we just lay this cardboard so that they will be able to feed on that place. So we'll put their feeders and then their drinkers there. And then this one, they don't know food yet, so we have to sprinkle some of the food on the cardboard for them to be able to pick, identify food, and then they can start eating from their trough. So I'll keep you posted. So in a few minutes, I'm going to transfer the ones we have removed into this place. And so just stay tuned as I come back to you. And so here we are in the brooder house. And so we'll sprinkle some of the feed around so that they can start with this one, start pecking it, and then get used to the feed. And then with time, they can start feeding from inside. And so here we are. Normally what you do is they don't know water or anything, so the first time you remove them, you have to introduce them to water, put their beaks inside the water, every one of them. This is a new environment for them. So give them, when they hatch, 24 to 48 hours, the leftover of the yolk, that should supply them nutrients in the egg. It's still working after 48 hours. They need water and they need feed. So once you remove them, so we put the multivite powder inside the water for them. And so you introduce each of them to the water before putting them down. Each of them introduce the water. So I'll keep you posted. So you can see they have started pecking their feed and gradually they'll get used to it. As for the beginning, anything they see is feed, so that's why I didn't put them on the wood shaving straight. So here, once they are used to their feed, then they can easily identify the feed from any other foreign material. And so, friends, I'll keep you posted as they keep hatching. I know by tomorrow evening we are going to get a lot, and then by Saturday we would have gotten the majority, and hopefully by Sunday, Monday, those that will hatch will definitely hatch. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.